How to fix decline error on Visa gift card. A decline error on a Visa gift card is often caused by non-balance factor like missing registrations or merchant-specific registrations. Now, what you would do is to fix the decline error. First thing first, you want to make sure to register the card. So if it is your any gift card, let's say vanilla Visa gift card. So here what you need is, first thing first, the most online merchants use address verification system. If your card isn't registered with a name and a zip code, the transaction will fail because the merchant system cannot verify your billing address. And then you could just visit the website on the back of the card like vanillavisagiftcard.com or giftcard.com and look for a register or enter the zip code options and enter your actual billing address there. Then you might have less money than you think due to past purchase or pending holds as well. You could use the official issuer website or call a toll-free number on the back of a card. Check your balance, and if the purchase exceed your balance by even a cent, it will decline as well. And in some cases accounts for tip tolerance and holds. The restaurant, gas stations and hotel often place a 20% discount hold or 20% hold off or tip tolerance on the top of the bill to ensure you can cover a tip or incidental as well, and ensure your card has at least 20% more than the actual billing, or ask for a merchant to charge a specific amount to a card and pay the rest with another method as well. So this is how you're supposed to fix decline error on a Visa gift card. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.